Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to explain about projection of plane perpendicular to both the planes, that is both horizontal plane and vertical plane. In this question, the square plane ABCD of 30 mm side is perpendicular to both horizontal and vertical plane, and it is 20 mm away from HP, 25 mm away from VP. This is the vertical plane, this is the horizontal plane. This is the square plane ABCD of 30 mm side. So it is perpendicular to both HP and VP. It will look like this when it is perpendicular to both planes. Perpendicular to VP and perpendicular to HP. This is the front view. From the front view, it looks like a line. This is the top view. From the top view also, it looks like a line. Let's draw the projection. It looks like a line perpendicular to XY in the top view and in the front view also. First, draw the reference line XY. X, Y, the plane is 20 mm away from HP. So we should draw 20 mm above XY. Put a point at 20 mm above XY, which is perpendicular to XY. Now 25 mm away from VP, which is below XY. Draw a thin line like this. Now we should draw the projection of the plane. This is the front view. We can see a line of 30 mm length, which is 20 mm above XY, and it is perpendicular to HP. Now 30 mm length of line. This is the top view and it is 25 mm away from VP. Now we should write the names. From the front view we can see B and C. So write B dash and C dash because it is front view. Already I explained in the previous video. Now behind B we can see A. So A dash. Behind C we can see D. Write D dash. Now top view D C. D C. Below D A. So write A, and below C B. Write B. We are not using dash here because it is top view. Now write the measurements. This is the projection of a plane which is perpendicular to both HP and VP. If you take any other planes, for example rectangle, pentagon also, you will get the same type of drawing. You will get a line which is perpendicular to XY like this. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.